The Barrera House is a seemingly simple solution to a complex program on a small, downtown property. Locating the primary living spaces upstairs affords the clients greater privacy, quiet, and views. Porches on both levels relate to massing among adjacent homes. These alignments foster relationships among neighbors and help to reinforce the urban fabric. The home's cruciform Part 1 provides efficient circulation. A central staircase bridges the private and public halves of the home. The concrete and wood stair details express the transition from the grounded first floor to the aerial living spaces above. Vaulted ceilings over the kitchen, living, and dining rooms frame a surprising view of the landmark tower downtown. Covered porches bookend the living spaces. Wood slats provide shade from the southwest sun and privacy from the street. The bedrooms and bathrooms are modest, peaceful environments for rest. Mirrors and a built-in bathroom planter invite the outside in and help the small room feel generous. Building systems and material selection support resource conservation and the client's desire for minimal maintenance. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.